plus half times 4 squared, right? And then I got to put the 1's in. 4 times 1 minus 8 thirds times 1 to the 3 halves plus 1 half times 1 squared. Keep going? Anyone want me to keep going? Sure? Okay. Any other questions on 17? Can I FOIL first and then put the U in? I don't see why not. Did it work? Oh. Yeah, I don't see why you couldn't. Oh my gosh, I'm having trouble with this. Okay, next one. I'm going to hold the darn thing. $18. 18 was an average value. Is anybody confused about what they mean by average value, what you're supposed to do other than just take the regular integral? Right? It's dividing by the difference of the limits of integration. Otherwise, it's a regular integral. Yeah. Yep, that's dividing by the difference of the limits of integration. So your limits of integration are 2 and 5. Right there. So you have to divide by their difference. So divide by 5 minus 2, that gives you the 3. That's where the 1/3 came from. Otherwise, it's just regular integral. Anybody want to talk more about 18?
Why did you cancel that 3 up there? And you still have the 1/3 there, you cancel.
Right here?
No,
Yeah, right here?
right there, you canceled that 3 that would be at the bottom.
No, I just took this
Oh,
and put it right there.
okay. Alright.
The 3 was part of the D.
Over here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay, I still keep being confused on the...
Oh, here, the canceling.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah, I canceled that 3 with that 3. I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Can you grab my glasses on my desk? Then I can actually see. If I wasn't tied to this, I would go get them. This, yes. Let's look at that as soon as I can see. Thank you. Okay. Oh, look, I can see now. Okay, let's go over this one more time. Right there, that 2 and the 5, this is an average value, so that means you have to divide by the difference of the limits of integration right there. Okay, that's a 3. That just happened to cancel with this. Okay. Normally, I would take this 3 and bring it out front as the 1/3. But in this case, once I had my du and I had canceled that, that 3 is gone, so I don't need this to be 3x squared anymore. I can divide both sides by 3 right there, and there's my 1/3. Or I could not have canceled these at all if I didn't want to. This would be my 1/3 out front, and I would simply have taken the 3x squared dx that's right here, 3x squared dx, and replace that with du. Either way, you're going to get a 1/3 out front, whether you decide to cancel right here or not. Does everybody know what I mean? Or do you want me to show you this without canceling right there? Would that help anybody? Okay.
By the way, 121, so, like, can you say something about
121 to the 3 halves?
like when it does, when you have the 5 halves, little tiny 5 halves, like, not 5 halves, 5 and 2, and then why do you do that? Like,
Why am I dividing by 5 minus 2?
no, not that part, but I said the wrong thing. Okay, there's a 5, 2 thing.
How I'm getting those for the u?
Yeah, and then in the next thing you have.
You have to plug them in over here.
But how do you know, like, when you have to do that?
As soon as you change to u's, you have to do it. Okay. maybe I'll reach. I do. I think I do. Crap. I can't reach the erasers. Bear with me. Okay, so let me do this without canceling for a sec. I think this will make more sense. Okay, everybody can get to there, right? Let's say you don't notice these can cancel. Right? Let's say you don't notice. We'll just leave the 3 there. Okay? Then when I go to do my u, right? This is exactly what I have now. Right there. So now when I sub, here I would do 2 cubed is 8 minus 4 is 4, right? And 5 cubed is 125 minus 4 is 121. And then I'd have u to the half. And everything in yellow here is my du. And it ends up being exactly the same integral if I don't cancel down here as when I did cancel up there. Does that help? Okay, everybody okay with the integration part? Yeah? Okay, ready to go to 19? Questions on 19? Anything on 19? No. Okay, 24. We haven't done one like 24 in a little while. This one I told you didn't have to sketch it, but it's giving you a curve, a parabola from 0 to 3, and it's asking you to write the sum, basically. You write the sum. Wants the formula for the area of the polygon and find the area under the curve by taking the limit. So in other words, you have an infinite number of rectangles there. Do we need to talk again about how to do 24? No, 24 was good? Okay. Well, nothing else there. 25. 25 was an ABCD. We had 3 givens. Let's just look at A. You tell me how you feel about A. A was good? Okay. For B, you had to do your flip and negate. That's okay? All right, let's talk about C for a second, because I didn't warn you about this one. You probably were befuddled because there were U's there. Okay? It actually doesn't matter what letter they use. It's called a dummy variable. And I guess they call it that because it doesn't matter. That's a dummy variable. So you treat it as if it's an X. Otherwise, you just do it regularly. Knowing that, is there anything up there, A, B, C, and D you want to talk about? No? Okay. C, the real issue was that there were U's there. Okay. You just treat it like that's an X. That's okay? Yeah? A? Yeah. A, you have F from 1 to 2, which is not up here. Okay? And I'm going to come down here and like try to draw a picture, maybe, for you. All right, let me just draw anything. And we'll make this 1 and make this 2. So what you want is the area from 1 to 2. You want this. Okay, you don't have that. So what you have to do is take this entire thing, the area from 0 to 2, and subtract off this piece. Which is why you have up here 0 to 2, and then you subtract it off that piece on the left. which will give you this one that you want. That makes sense? Anything else on 25? 26. Whoa, whoa, crazy eraser there. Okay, 26. That one I did not using any calculus, which you could absolutely do. You can also do it with calculus, and I can do it that way if you want me to.
Could you show us the calculus?
I would be happy to. Let me move this down.